Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be continuing on with the Zero Track 2000 Plus, and we're going to be doing this one. So it looks like we're on about 2030 difficulty so far. Hopefully we get to like 2200 or something soon. So you have one chocolate bar, consists of some chunks. Each chunk has sweetness. You want to split it with k friends so you can cut it into k plus 1 pieces. Each piece consists of consecutive chunks. Being generous, you will eat the piece with minimal total sweetness, and you will give other pieces to your friends. Return the maximum total sweetness of the piece. Okay. Alright. Okay. So this is 6 chunks, okay. And this one, you have to cut the bar into 9 pieces, so 2, 4, 6, okay, just okay. K equals 2, so we just cut like down the middle or something. 1, 2, 2, oh right, 3 chunks, yeah, okay. Alright. Okay. So I think I've seen this type of problem a decent amount lately, and this is just going to be like, we're looking for the minimum, maximum, minimum, or whatever. And I think we just binary search through the states and just do that. So yeah. Now the only question is like, how do we do a binary search? So basically we're gonna ask ourselves like, let's say a sweetness of like, is a sweetness of like 4 possible? Is a minimum total sweetness of 4 possible? So how would we cut it? So like, let's say we take this example. So we'd cut it like, so we need a minimum of 4. So we're gonna try to make as many cuts as we can, I think. So we'd cut here, here, and here. And then we'll just check, did we make K or less cuts? So actually, I guess, yeah, K or less cuts. We made 2 cuts here, so that's fine. But let's say we want a total sweetness of like 5, or we can do 5. Let's say we wanted 6. So if we wanted 6, let's take that same thing again. So 6, we'd cut this, and this, and then we can't because our third chunk is not big enough. And then let's say we're easily able to do it. Let's say we want like 1. So we could do like 1, 2. Yeah. Okay. And then we know if we can do that, like we know if we can cut it into more chunks, we can just combine chunks and the minimum would increase. Okay, so I think basically we're just going to try to binary search on like the minimum. And we want to, our goal is like, can we cut into K plus chunks where min is target? And then just binary search on that. Yeah, cool. All right, so first let's define like a helper. So this is typically what I do for like binary search. Like, can we do something? So def like check or something, and we'll try to cut it into like target. Okay, so we'll say the chunks equals 0, and then yeah, basically we're gonna, as soon as we hit the chunk, we're gonna have the right. We'll also increase K here so we can get the chunks correctly. So it's gonna be K chunks, not cuts. So here we'll have like 3 chunks, 9 chunks, so on. Okay. Then we just go total. So for num in, redo that. If total target, we'll add a chunk and reset the total. Okay, and return chunks. Okay, and then we just binary search. So Let's see, what's the min we can ever have? So k can't be less than like the length of the array, right? Yeah. So I think the min will just be let's see. I mean, we can just use some arbitrary thing. Right, we can just go like left, right equals like min nums or something. Min s, sum s. Okay. We'll go result equals. So we try to maximize here or what? Maximum. Yeah. So let me get left. P, and we'll try bigger. Okay. We are having an infinite loop somehow. Interesting. Or is LeetCode bugging out? One or the other. I think LeetCode bugging out because it's just frozen. Let's try it or refresh it. Okay, interesting. Let's reload. Oh. Okay. Yeah, pretty easy. I'd say I've seen this pattern quite a bit. So essentially we try to maximize some result and we can just cut greedily. So this happens, it's like the same as like the cocoa eating bananas, ship packages, all those questions. Very, very similar. So this is, yeah, I guess if k is 1 or something, then yeah, something. Okay. So this is going to be n times min, I guess what's like sum? Yeah, like sum, all the values of n or something like that, whatever that is. This is actually going to be log, right? So log of that. Yeah. Space of 1, right? We don't use anything. All right. Gonna be it for this one, so thanks for watching.